In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free trial role, then full access role on Whop Discord. By the end, your Discord server will grant a temporary trial role to new members and automatically switch them to full access when they become paying customers. First, open Whop in your browser and sign in. In the top right corner, click your profile icon to open your account menu. Head into Settings and choose Connected Accounts. Look for Discord in the list, then click Add. A Discord authorization window will appear. Approve the connection so Whop can manage roles on your behalf. Once you're back on Whop, you should see Discord showing as authorized, confirming the link is live. Next, choose the business or workspace you want to configure. From there, go to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, open Products. Select the specific product that should include a free trial for your Discord community. Inside the product settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Include a Free Trial. Toggle this on. Set how many days you want the trial to last. Pick a time frame that's long enough for new users to experience value without delaying your conversion. When you're happy with the length, save the product to apply the changes. Here's what happens now. Because your Discord is connected, Whop will assign your trial level access in Discord as soon as someone checks out with the free trial. When their trial ends and their paid access starts, Whop will automatically switch them to the full access role, keeping your server permissions clean and hands-off. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Allow a minute for changes to sync after saving, and consider running a test checkout with a spare account to confirm the role transition works end to end. Also, clearly state in your product description what the trial includes and when full access kicks in, so members know exactly what to expect. That's it. Your free trial to full access flow on Whop and Discord is ready to go.